Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your Huawei supports always on display, because not every model or MUI version includes it. Once done, make sure battery is above 15% and disable battery saver, since power restrictions block AOD. Now open Settings, tap Display, then Always on Display. This is the entry point. You're doing this first to ensure the phone won't auto-disable features, and to access theme and scheduling options immediately, which we'll configure next. Next, you'll choose what AOD shows and when, because appearance and timing affect battery and usefulness. Select a clock style, add widgets such as calendar or music, and pick a wallpaper or simple black background to save power. Then set the schedule, always, sunset to sunrise, or custom hours, so AOD only runs when you want. Finally, adjust brightness and which notifications appear. These settings balance visibility versus battery drain, and they prevent distraction when the phone is locked. To finish, lock the phone and verify the Always on Display appears with your chosen layout. This confirms settings applied correctly. If it doesn't show, first check battery saver and any app background restrictions. These often block AOD. If problems persist, restart the device, install system updates, and reapply AOD settings. One key troubleshooting tip: disable aggressive power management in settings right arrow apps right arrow special access, because the system may kill AOD.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.